Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your XDC tokens from Coinbase Wallet to Metamask for better decentralized access. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step. It's simpler than you think, and I'll make sure you do it safely. Let's get started. First things first, before we jump in, ensure you have a few basics set up. You'll need the Coinbase Wallet app on your phone or browser, with some XDC tokens in it. Also, make sure Metamask is installed on your device. It's a popular wallet for interacting with dApps. If you don't have these, pause here and get them sorted. Okay. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet and navigate to your XDC assets. Find the specific amount you want to transfer and select it. This will take you to the send screen. Step 2. Switch over to Metamask. Open the app or extension, and make sure you're on the XDC network. Yes, in 2025, networks might have updates, so double-check that it's set correctly. Once you're there, copy your Metamask wallet address. This is crucial, so don't skip verifying it. Step 3. Back in Coinbase Wallet, paste the Metamask address into the To field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send, and review any transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 4. Hit send and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Make sure everything looks right before proceeding. Once it's sent, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to show up in Metamask, depending on the network. A quick tip. Always double-check addresses to prevent any mishaps. Crypto transfers are irreversible. If you're new, consider using a small test amount first. There you go. You've just transferred your XDC from Coinbase Wallet to Metamask. It's a great way to take more control of your assets in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.